Hello, my YouTube family. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I thought I'd stop by to show you how it went down yesterday on Melda 242. I made all of this for my family. We had coconut duff for dessert, coconut peas and rice, coleslaw, ham, turkey, dressing, and macaroni and cheese. Boy, didn't we have a feast. Everyone had their fill and the rest was history. So I thought I'd stop by today and share it with you. I'm wishing all of my subscribers, my MVP and my brand new subscribers, also I can't leave out my followers, I'm wishing for you a happy, healthy, prosperous New Year. God bless you and keep you safe and warm in the upcoming year. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.